guys, this is Wandering World and we are going to do unboxing today from Amazon. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Ta-da! And ta-da! This is it. So this is, guys, what we ordered in Amazon. This one. So we ordered 2 and we already put the other one. So I'm gonna show you to you. See that one, guys?
This here,
what are those?
this is the piece that this is called Quill extender. Quill extender. That's the name of it. Quill extender.
Show it again.
So this.
And what is that for?
This is to raise the handlebars up about this much, maybe about this much, because that's that one over there. So I'm gonna loosen these handlebars. Take this little bead out.
So you're going to get that one.
You unscrew this and then you whack
So
it.
what are you using it? Oh, that's quick.
See, it only sticks down there that far.
So what are you using, baby?
Allen wrenches. Allen
What
wrenches.
you call it? You show it to them.
Allen wrenches.
So that was
Yeah. And
the
this
one that
is
you're
an extra
using.
long one that I had to buy to fit down into here
okay.
to make this all work.
Okay, so now what's next?
Yep. We're going to install this baby.
So,
Oh, it goes down further. See,
Oh.
yours didn't slide down in there that far.
So this is what he's doing, guys. To put the extender, because we are having a hard time.
Yeah, being humped over.
Tighten up.
Getting tight, getting tight. This here, you can't get, whoa, well looky there. This is gonna work with this one. I don't have to loosen anything.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So you need to do this, guys. If you're having a hard time with your bicycle, just buy an extender, and this is what you need to do.
Yeah.
It's just quick and easy. And now,
How about that?
ta-da!
No problem there.
No problem.
Easy. Now mine is a little short. See, yours sticks up a little
Yeah,
higher.
but this one is.
But
So it fits all the bicycle, right? All kinds of bicycle.
well, when I ordered it, it said for mountain bikes, and that's what ours are, is mountain bikes.
Okay. So they need to order what kind of their bicycle.
Well, this was
is.
the only. This is for this type of bicycle, Walmart bicycle. If you have a Walmart bicycle, this is what you need.
So that's quick and easy, guys.
Yeah. Okay. Now you get it for a test spin.
Okay, you're gonna.
Test spin.
It's your turn now. How is it? Is it good? Is it you're enjoying now, huh?
Yeah. It's so much easier.
Uh-huh.
Even turn it easier. Easy to turn.
Try to break.
Straight, not break.
Good job. Okay, there you go.
If you're old and don't like being bent over,
Are you old?
yeah, this is the way to go.
Is it worth it?
Oh yeah.
It's worth it to buy, guys. And how much is that, love?
$17
$17 for two or each?
each,
Oh, $17 for each.
plus $3 for the
What?
Allen wrench, the long Allen wrench. The foot goes all the way down.
Yeah? Is it okay?
Yeah. See my leg?
Yeah?
That's how you're supposed to be. Oh.
So what can you say about it? Every penny you spend for that.
That's good. We have new seats, handlebar extender. We're ready. Put this bicycle up and cover it.
Okay.
These up the handlebars on the bicycles.
So you order that online?
Yeah. It's called a steering extension, I think, or something like that.
So this one, right?
Yeah.
So guys, we ordered this one. Now, Mr. Wandering World is doing it. Doing it. Good job, baby. Oh,
What?
you dropped the screw.
Huh?
You drop it.
Where? Oh, there.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, it's gonna work.
Oh, it's good.
I need to tighten this piece on down. I just wanted to make sure it's gonna work before I.
So what are you doing then?
Tightening this down to make sure that it's good and tight so you don't wreck. Okay.
Okay, now let's do it again.
Oh yeah.
Don't forget the screws with me.
Okay. That's theirs for the brakes. Hopefully the brake cables will be long enough.
Yeah.
To move these back up here where they belong. Oh yeah.
That's good.
Let's see if this is good. Oh,
Oh, good. What is it, baby? Now, guys, you know Mr. Wandering World is such a joker.
oh, we're happy about this.
Yeah.
Where's the other screw?
Here, it's with me. Okay. Good thing he knows all about this.
There we go. It's just barely. Stick it there. See, it's
Yeah. Is it good?
yeah, it's good.
How about this screw, love? What is that for?
I don't never know. There. Now you want to try it?
Okay, go.
Well, Wonder why my shifter, see, these brakes further down. This here. Huh? It's much more comfortable to ride, ain't it? We'll be able to ride for quite a while because you're sitting up straight now.
Yeah, I'm not doing like that anymore.
Yeah. Hey guys, if you're new to our channel, this is an unboxing of a stem extender. I watched a video of a guy called Bicycle Man, I think it is, and he showed how to put these on here. He said, you know, like him, he's older, and his bike was more of a racing bike, and these bikes we have are mountain bikes. And it just by the end of the day, our hands would be red from being bent over, or all of our weight pressing on our hands and arms. Arms would be sore, elbows, shoulders would be sore. So bought these extensions, and I read a lot of the reviews. People complain about they get loose, and then there's other people said that's because they tried using a screwdriver instead of an Allen wrench. I had to buy a 9-inch long 6mm Allen wrench to tighten them up. And do not buy these and try to install them without spending the $3 extra to get the proper Allen wrench. It tightens them right up. That's Mrs. Wondering Worlds was a little bit loose right after I put it all together, so it wasn't that new piece that was loose, it was the handlebars, but got them good and tightened up because you don't want to be riding and have the handlebars come off while you're going down the trail. So guys, hope to see you the next time in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and make sure you ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our wonderful videos. Bye bye guys.
Thank you guys, and don't forget to comment down below as well.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.